Have you ever thought about starting a blog? It's a fascinating journey, one that could lead to personal growth, connections with like-minded individuals, and potentially a new income stream. Today, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of starting a blog and making it a successful venture. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of blogging. First things first, you need to choose a niche. This is a specific topic or area that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. The key here is to find a subject that not only sparks your interest but also has an audience eager to consume content related to that topic. Next, it's time to register a domain name, your blog's unique web address, and purchase web hosting. Platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace can help you set up your blog with ease. Once your blog is live, it's time to give it a personality. Customize the appearance of your blog by selecting a theme or template that fits your niche. The goal is to create a user-friendly and visually appealing platform where your audience will enjoy spending time. Now comes the fun part, creating high-quality content. Start writing and publishing engaging posts regularly. Consistency is key here. You want your audience to keep coming back for more. But how will people find your blog? That's where promotion comes in. Utilize social media, search engine optimization, and other marketing strategies to attract readers to your blog. Building an audience is a crucial step towards making money from your blog. Speaking of money, there are several ways to monetize your blog. You can display ads using networks like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing programs, create sponsored content in partnership with brands, promote products or services for a commission, sell digital products, offer consulting services, or even start a subscription or membership model. Some bloggers also accept donations from their readers to support their work. Engaging with your audience is another important aspect of blogging. Respond to comments, interact with your readers on social media, and build a community around your blog. A loyal and engaged audience can open up more monetization opportunities. And finally, don't forget to track and optimize. Use analytics tools to measure your blog's performance and make necessary adjustments to improve it. In summary, starting a blog involves choosing a niche, registering a domain and purchasing hosting, designing your blog, creating and promoting high-quality content, monetizing your blog, engaging with your audience, and tracking and optimizing your blog's performance. Remember, blogging is a journey, not a destination. So, take the first step today and who knows where it might lead you.